Hey guys, so I'm going to quickly show you how to do mineral identification with sample B. So if you have your lab sheet in front of you, you basically for sample B, you're going to be finding the crystal shape, the color, or the luster. We're going to hold off on density just for now. You're going to find the hardness, the streak, and if it fizzes, an acid. So we're going to use this little drop down box for sample B to figure all of those out. Okay, so shape. This one's a little tricky, but you hold it up to the pictures, and I would say that this mineral is probably closest to the rectangle. So we'll document that information down, bring it down here, and you can look at the color / luster, and this is the pearly color. So the next thing we're going to try to find is the hardness level. So go to the drop down box, click hardness, grab your mineral, and the softest thing on here is your fingernail. So go ahead and see if you can scratch the nail, which you can. So we know this mineral is harder than 2.5. Penny scratches the penny, so it's harder than 3.5. The glass, it scratches the glass, so this is harder than 5.5. Bring it down to the steel plate and it doesn't scratch. So if this mineral scratches 5.5 and doesn't scratch 6.5, we can write down that the hardness for this is probably about 6. Okay, so move on to streak. Grab your mineral, drag it around on this plate, and it's white. So write down that the streak color, the powder color of this sample is white. Then acid reaction, so we're going to be looking for bubbles once you drop it on there. So you can see that the hydrochloric acid just kind of goes away. It doesn't bubble or fizz or anything, so we're going to document that that's a no. Okay, so now that we have all of our information, we're going to go to the page with the mineral information on it, and we're basically looking for this mineral that has all of the things we just collected. So the first thing we found was that it was rectangle, so none of these up here. Go down here, so you can kind of see there's a few rectangle rocks down here, so stick with these. It's pink and pearly. So pink and pearly, that's that one. I don't really see any other pink ones, but let's stick with feldspar and make sure that all the things match. Hardness level, yep, we said the hardness level was 6. The streak we said was white, so this is good, and then it did not fizz. So sample B is feldspar. So you'll type that in here. If I can spell it. And just be careful on the spelling because it probably will count it off if you didn't get the spelling right. But so good. And then you'll just click next, go to sample C, and you just keep going with the information. So like that's irregularly shaped. We can look and we can see, okay, it's yellow. I would say it's metallic, which means metal-like. It's shiny. So you can write down that sample B is metal-like, shiny, and it's yellow. Skip on to hardness. So I can keep doing this one with you if you want. Let's see if it scratches the penny. It does not scratch the penny. So it scratches your nail and not the penny. So that means it's probably in between 2.5 and 3.5. So we would say hardness level is probably 3. Streak. Streak powder color is yellow. See if it reacts. Doesn't do anything. Nope, no bubbles. So again, you'll go over to your chart with all the information. You'll look for the shape we said was irregular. There's a lot of irregular options. So let's look for hardness level 3. So it's not hematite because that's cubic and hardness level 3. Let's go here. Calcite. It's not, well, it could be that. The color isn't variable or glassy, so it's not this one. Hardness level 3, mica. No, it wasn't black, so it's not that. Silver. It has hardness level 3, but our rock or mineral wasn't silver or gray, so it's not that. Gold is looking good here. Yellow, it does not fizz. So that one's gold. Let's see if that's right. Yep, good. Perfect, guys. So keep going. And then once you finish figuring out all of your mineral, the identity of each one, kind of go down here and see if you can figure out the answers to these questions just to test your knowledge. Okay, thanks, guys.